All right, number one, we got a goal speed of 150. And here we go at half that speed to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for the complicated lesson. And change a little bit here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate what I was doing yesterday. So you have the 4 different phrases here. And what I want you to do is figure out how do you replicate those phrases in all of the scale shapes that you've recently learned. So I'm basically going to end up playing them right now. But looking at this, the rhythm, see, you got the 4 eighth notes here, and then this eighth note is tied to a half note. So when you are inputting the new notes here, you got to remember to tie this last eighth note to this half note. Hit the L key to tie it. I have no idea why they picked L for this program, but that's what it is. So, like right here, if I hit the L, it undoes the tie. If I hit L again, we have the tie. So, basically, with what we have currently, 4, 1, and 2, and 3. 4, 1, and 2, and 3. 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So that's all within that scale shape there. So the next line is reserved for the second scale shape. Now, as you progress through this, you can change the octave of the notes in order to fit within the shape. But the notes need to stay the same. So remember, and this is an A, that's an A, this is an A. And within this shape, that's an A right there. That's also an A. Those are the only 2 A's in the second scale shape. So when you're doing this, use whatever octave you need to in order to replicate the same phrase. So the phrase needs to be the same set of notes every single time. So basically, the same lead line in the second scale shape, I would be doing something like this. Ugh. And then we got, that's a C. You can do that there or do that here. Nope. There you go. So yeah, that third bar. And then just being aware of what the notes are can be really helpful, because that fourth bar starts on an F. So that's an F right there. No. There you go. So you can do that there. You can also do that here. There you go. And then the next line will be for the third shape. So you got to start on this A. You could start up here, but I think it makes more sense to start here. Nope. There you go. Nope. There we go. So basically what I'm doing right now is what you're going to be doing. You just basically try and replicate those the same phrase or the same set of notes within the new shape and kind of find, well, where does that happen? And then input that as you go. And then the next line is going to be reserved for this scale shape. So then we got there we go. And then you go to this shape. And then you got this shape. Oh. And then for the very last note, pick an A. It's got to be an A note. And it doesn't matter where. It can be here, it can be here, it can be up here if you really want to. But yeah, the last note, pick an A to resolve this whole thing. So hopefully that makes sense. Any questions? As always, let me know. And I will see you again next week.